Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix two critical vulnerabilities on Ubuntu 24. TLS version 1.0 protocol detection and Vim command injection and buffer overflow vulnerabilities. Let's fix them step by step. First, fix TLS 1.0 protocol detection vulnerability. The issue is TLS 1.0 and TLS 1.1 are outdated and insecure. Our goal is disable TLS 1.0 and 1.1, allow only TLS 1.2 and 1.3. In step 1, configure OpenSSL configuration. This is system-wide fix. Run command nano etc /openssl.com. Ensure these sections exist. If not exist, add the section. In step 2, fix NGINX. If NGINX is installed on your operating system, first check if NGINX exists. Then backup NGINX configuration file by using a command copy etc/nginx/nginx.conf space /etc/nginx.conf.backup. After copy the NGINX configuration, now edit NGINX configuration and make change by removing TLS version 1.0 and 1.1. After removing TLS version 1.0 and 1.1, add NGINX TLS version 1.2 and 1.3 and SSL cipher. After edited the NGINX configuration file, restart NGINX service. Now, TLS vulnerabilities fixed. Now, we continue the second vulnerability of Vim. Older Vim version, which is less than 9.2, are vulnerable to command injection and heap buffer overflow. To resolve the issue, we must upgrade Vim version to greater than or equals to 9.2. First, check Vim version. If Vim version is less than 9.2, it is vulnerable. To upgrade the Vim to version greater than or equal to 9.2, first update system or kernel requirement by using sudo apt full upgrade -1. Make sure your OS kernel version must be greater than or equals to version 6.8.0 -106. Now remove old Vim version by using command apt remove and install dependency by using apt install. Now build Vim from resource and install by following steps on the video. After Vim installation is finished, we verify Vim version. Ensure it shows version 9.2 or higher. At the end, if kernel upgrade fails and Vim version 9.2 is not compatible with your kernel version, remove the Vim and its dependency completely from your OS and use Nano instead of Vim. Now you have successfully fixed TLS 1.0 vulnerabilities and Vim critical vulnerabilities. If this video has helped you, like the video and share, subscribe the channel.